I hope you guys are all having an outstanding day. EasyAutoFix here, and today we're going to learn symptoms of a stuck closed PCV valve. The purpose of the PCV valve is to recirculate harmful gases from the crankcase into the intake manifold, where it then travels to get burned off in the combustion chamber. This helps to minimize oil sludge, lowers emissions, and reduces moisture. Your PCV valve should be replaced around 50,000 miles. The PCV valve is usually located on the valve cover or near the air intake. Here's the location on a Toyota Camry. And here's the location on a Nissan Sentra. The first symptom is oil contamination. A clogged or stuck closed PCV valve will prevent harmful gases from recirculating back into the intake manifold, leaving them nowhere to go but to mix with the oil. The second symptom is your engine oil dipstick popped out. This doesn't occur all the time, but it's something to look out for. This can happen due to the crankcase pressure building up, finding its way out, pushing through the dipstick. This leads me to the third symptom, oil leaks. Over time, the crankcase pressure can force the oil out of the rear main seal, oil pan seal, camshaft seals, or even the valve cover gasket. The fourth symptom is oil in the air intake or the air filter. This is due to the crankcase pressure buildup created by the stuck closed PCV valve. Awesome! Thank you guys for watching. If you want to learn symptoms of a stuck open PCV valve, then click on the video right here.